EDGECAM allows for the use of multiple tools simultaneously on a lathe to perform different operations on a workpiece. This technique is particularly useful in high-volume production environments where efficiency and precision are crucial. EDGECAM waveform is designed to maintain a constant tool cutting load by ensuring consistent engagement with the material. This technique helps reduce cycle time, improve tool life, and lengthen machine maintenance cycles. The toolpath automatically adjusts to maintain the desired engagement, whether cutting into concave or convex areas. The strategy reduces the amount of intermittent cuts, keeping the tool engaged with the material for longer periods. The toolpath automatically adjusts to maintain the desired engagement, whether cutting into concave or convex areas. The strategy reduces the amount of intermittent cuts, keeping the tool engaged with the material for longer periods. The EDGECAM milling algorithm calculation and removal is crucial for maintaining machine performance, ensuring precision, and preventing damage to both the machine and the workpiece, in achieving the complex geometries and precise angles required for multi-blades. EDGECAM will allows for simultaneous movement along the different axes, providing greater flexibility and accuracy. EDGECAM will maintain consistent tool engagement and reduce tool wear. This is particularly useful for complex shapes and hard materials. With the EDGECAM multi-axis milling cycle, an advanced machining technique with adaptive milling strategies to optimize material removal and improve efficiency is being generated. The EDGECAM multi-axis cycle allows a consistent tool engagement with the material, which helps in reducing tool wear and improving surface finishing. EDGECAM allows for high-speed roughing, which can significantly reduce machining time by up to 60%. With this, EDGECAM manufacturers can achieve higher productivity, better quality, and greater flexibility in their machining operations. EDGECAM barrel machining provides great flexibility and is crucial for achieving the intricate internal and external geometries. These tools have large radii that allow for smoother surface finishes and reduced cycle times that optimize the machining. For more information, please visit www.edgecam.com.